Hi, my dear students. This is the Microsoft Excel preview. Figure shows in the slide. What is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program including in the Microsoft Office suite of applications. Spreadsheet presents the tables of values arranged in rows and columns that can be manipulated mathematically using both basic and complete complex arithmetic operations and functions. In addition to its standard spreadsheet features, Excel also offers programs supports via Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. The ability to access data from external sources via Microsoft Dynamic Data Access DDE and extensive graphics and charting capabilities. Excel definition: a software program created by Microsoft that uses a spreadsheet to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions. Excel analysis is a ubiquitous around the world and used by business of all sizes to perform financial analysis. Excel is a spreadsheet application developed and published by Microsoft. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity software. Unlike a word processor such as Microsoft Word, Excel organizes data in columns and rows. Rows and columns intersect at a space called a cell. Each cell can contain a single of data such as text, a numerical value, or a formula. Excel was originally codenamed Odyssey during the development. It was first released on September 30, 1985. This slide shows the MS Excel window. Here you can observe the various ribbons, tabs, and layouts and bars. So first we can see the file button. Next to insert tab page, insert tab, page layout to tab title bar, help button, and maximize restore down button, and status bar, sheet tab scroll, sheets tab, new sheet button, page view button, zoom control, etc. You can observe various options. So in the MS Excel window, you can have the menus, tabs, and ribbons, options, etc. History of Excel. Microsoft Excel release history. Microsoft Excel was first released for Macintosh system in 1985, followed by the first Windows version in 1987. The following is a list of Excel release for Windows. Excel 2.0 1987, Excel 3.0 1990, Excel 4.0 1992, including the Microsoft Office 3.0, Excel 5.0 1993, including Microsoft Office 4.0, Excel 95 1995, including Microsoft Office 95, Excel 97 1997, including in Microsoft 97, Excel 2000 including in Microsoft Office 2000, Excel 2002 including in Microsoft Office XP, and Excel 2003 including Microsoft Office 2003, Excel 2007 including Microsoft Office 2007, Excel 2010 including Microsoft Office 2010, Excel 2013 including Microsoft Office 2013. Features of Excel: add header and footer. MS Excel allows you to keep the header and footer in our spreadsheet document. Find and replace command. MS Excel allows you to find the needed data, text and numbers in the workbook and also replace the existing data with a new one. Password protection. It allows the user to protect their workbook by using a password from unauthorized access to their information. Data filtering. Filtering is a quick and easy way to find any and work with a suitable subset of data in a range. A filtered range displays only the row that meets the criteria you say specify for a column. MS Excel provides two commands for filtering ranges: auto filter, which includes filter by selection for simple criteria, advanced filters for more complex criteria. Features of Excel. Data sorting. Data sorting is the process of arranging data in some logical order. MS Excel allows you us to sort data either in ascending order or descending order. MS Excel has got many built-in formula for sum, average, minimum, etc. We can use those formulas as per our needs. Create different charts, pivot table. MS Excel allows us built-in formula to create different charts such as bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs, etc. This helps us to analyze and compare data very easily. Automatically edits the result. MS Excel automatically edits the result if any changes are made in any of the cells. Formula editing. Using formula editing, we can graphically displace or trace the relationship between the cells and formulas with blue arrows. We can trace the precedence, the cells that provide data to specific cells, or the dependent the cells that depend on the value in a specific cells. Advantages of Excel: easy to store. In MS Excel, it is easy to store the data, perform calculation, format the cells, and adjust layout to generate the output and report to share with others. Many templates make it easy to accomplish a wide range of tasks. Analysis of large amounts of data. MS Excel spreadsheet enhances your ability to analyze large amounts of data. It provides many analytical tools for the accurate analysis of large amounts of data. With powerful filtering and storing tools, allows you to sort out a large amount of data. It will be easier for you to find out the required information and will assist in your decisions. And filtering removes repeated data and helps to save time and efforts. Use for formulas. Microsoft Excel performs all mathematical and logical functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, average, etc. It provides many formulas that help you to solve both simple and complex calculations. Graphical representation of data. It allows you to create the visual representation of data and information. The data can be visually displayed in the form of bar charts, column charts, and graphs. Secure. Microsoft Excel file can be password protected for a security. A user can create a password within Excel file. Advantages of Excel. Time consuming. In Microsoft Excel, when we enter the data manually, it can take a very long time, especially you have a lot of data to enter. Viruses. In Microsoft Excel file, the virus can be attached to the macros. Macros are mini programs that are written into MS Excel spreadsheets. Customizable graphs. This is a big disadvantage of Microsoft Excel. It does offer a good variety of graphs capabilities. The customization of standard formats and combinations of the different data sets and different types of graphics is ac- acquired and not natural. Hard to use. MS Excel training programs. It is still hard to use for some users. Might not be get the hang of it. While it is easier to create the formulas, the reference cells, copy and paste the data, and the spreadsheet become more difficult to change and manage. Difficulty to analyze. The spreadsheets are absolute for creating one-time analysis, especially for some people. A spreadsheet is difficult to analyze. It becomes problematic as the data grown up and emerged over the time. As new rows and columns are get added or new ones created, the data and the formulas are not consistently updated. These mistakes lead to bad results and decisions. These are the advantages and disadvantages of Microsoft Excel. If you can have any problem related to the Microsoft Office and technical issues, so feel to contact our Microsoft contact number anytime. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a computer application for organization, analysis, and storage of data in tabular form. Spreadsheets were developed as compared as analog of papers accounting worksheets. The program operators on data entered in cells of a table. Each cell may contain either numerical or text data or the result of formula that automatically calculate the display and a value based on the contents of other cells. A spreadsheet may also refer to one such electronic document. Spreadsheets users can adjust any stored value and observe the effects on calculated values. This makes the spreadsheet useful for what if analysis, since many cases can be rapidly investigated without manual recalculations. Modern spreadsheet software can have multiple interacting sheets and can display data either as text and numerals or in a graphical way. Spreadsheet is a sheet of paper that shows accounting or other data in rows and columns. A spreadsheet is also computer application program that stimulates a physical spreadsheet by capturing, displaying, and managing multi manipulating data arranged in rows and columns. The spreadsheet is one of the most popular uses of the personal computer. Applications of spreadsheet. Spreadsheet has a variety of applications in different areas. Some of the applications of a spreadsheet program as under. First one, a spreadsheet allows users to enter and calculate numerical data. Second, using a spreadsheet greatly increases productivity for anyone who needs to manage receipts, create budgets, generate financial reports, or even keep track of inventions. Third, a spreadsheet is a useful tool for storing and analyzing data. Fourth, complex calculations can be performed very quickly. Fifth, professional looking graphs and charts can be created very quickly from a range of data which allows to view the data pictorially. Sixth, easy to make changes and corrections to data on the worksheet. Calculations always accurate provided the data and formula entered are correct. Workbook and worksheet. A worksheet is the grid of cells where you can type the data. The grid divides your worksheet into rows and columns. Columns are identified with letters A, B, C, D, while rows are identified with the numbers 1, 2, 3. Workbook. The worksheet in turns are grouped together into a workbook. By default, each workbook in MX Excel contains three blank worksheets which are identified tabs displaying along the bottom of your screen. The first worksheet is called sheet number 1, the next is sheet number 2, and so on. Cells are the basic building blocks of a worksheet. Each rectangle in a worksheet is called a cell. A cell is a intersection of a row and columns. That is, a cell is identified by column and row. Cell address. Each cell has a name or a cell address based on which column and rows it intersects. The cell addresses of a selected cell appears in the name box or cell address. Here we are having the various pictures of Excel worksheet. Here you can observe the worksheet. You can observe the 1, 2, 3 numbers as rows and A, B, C, D as the columns, and each rectangle grid is a cell in the worksheet. Worksheet is the workbooks like sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3, and scroll around the worksheet using the scroll bars or keyboards. How to create a new workbook in Excel. Click on File tab to move on the Backstage view. Select New option. Select Blank Workbook under Available Templates. Click to create a new blank workbook appears in the Excel window. So here we are observing the how to create a new workbook. So in the File tab, you can have the new option. By clicking on new option, you can have the pop-up list available of templates. Select to new document or then create click on create button. How to open an existing workbook. Click the File tab to move on Backstage view. Select open option. The open dialog box appears. Select the workbook in a dialog box. Click on open button. How to save workbook in MS Excel. Click on the File tab. Select save or save as option. Save dialog box appears on screen. Select the location source folder or location to save such as desktop, my documents or my computer, etc. Save dialog box appears on the screen. Give file name and document type and click the save button. How to close a workbook in Excel. Click the File tab. The Backstage view appears. Click the close button. If you have not saved your file, a dialog box appears asking whether you want to save your changes. Click save your changes. Don't save to discard any changes or cancel to keep your file open. How to insert values on spreadsheet. On the worksheet, click a cell, type the number or text that you want to enter, then press on the enter tab. To enter data on a new line with a cell, enter a line break by pressing Alt plus enter. How to insert a new worksheet. Right click on the sheet name and select insert option. Now you will see the insert dialog box with the select worksheet option as selected from the general tab. Click on OK. Formulas in Excel. Formulas are equations that perform calculations on data value in the worksheet like a calculator. Excel can execute formulas that add, subtract, multiply, and divide. A formula can be a combination of constant values, cell references, and mathematical operations plus, minus, divided, is equal to, and equal to. Example of the following formula multiplies by 5 by 10 and then adds the value in cell A2 to the result is equal to A2 plus 5 into 10. Here 5 and 10 are constant values plus and multiplication symbol or mathematical operations. A2 is the cell reference which returns the value in cells A2. The formula is visible only if the formula bar in the formula bar. A formula result will change as different numbers are entered into the cells including in the formula definition. How to copy and paste formula in a worksheet. Select the cell that contains the formula to be copied. To copy the formula, click on the Home tab, click on Clipboard group, copy command, press Ctrl plus C. New selected the cell where the copied formula is to be pasted. The To paste the formula, click on the Home tab, Clipboard group, paste command, press Ctrl plus V. Press the Enter key the formula is copied to the new location. How to create a table in Excel? Creating a table within Excel. Open the Excel spreadsheet. Use your mouse to select the cells that contain the information for the table. Click the Insert tab. Locate the table group. Click the table. Click on OK. How to insert charts in Excel? Select the range on the Insert tab. In the chart group, click the line symbol. Click the line with markers. Functions in Excel. Functions are a predefined formula that perform calculations by using specific values called arguments. In a particular order, function can be used to perform simple or complex calculations. Functions save you time and writing lengthy formulas. Syntax order: all functions begin with the is equal symbol. After the is equal sign, the function example sum. After the function name, define the argument enclosed by parentheses, numbers, text, or cell references. If there is no more row than one argument, separate each by a comma. Mathematical formulas. Absolute. It returns the absolute value of a number. The absolute value of a number is the number without its sign. Syntax is equal to ABS in bracket number. Number is the real number or which you want to the absolute value. Example is equal to ABS minus 4. Output is plus 4. Next to even. It returns the number rounded up to the nearest even integer. You can use this function for processing items that come into, for example, a packing creating accept rows of one row or two items. The create is full when the number of items rounded up to the nearest two. Mathematic matches the creates capacity. Syntax is equal to even number. Example even 15. Output is 16. Exponential returns a rows to the power of numbers. The constant equal 2.71828182845904. The base of the natural logarithm. Syntax is equal to exp number. Example is equal to exp 2. Output is equal to 7.389056. Fact. It is a factorial of a number. The factor of number is equal to 1 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 infinity number. Syntax is equal to fact number. Example is equal to fact 3. Output is 6. Floor rounds number down towards 0 to the nearest multiple of significance. Syntax is equal to floor number significance. Number is the value of you want to round. Significance is the multiple to which you want to round. Example is equal to floor 1 to 123.4561. Output is equal to 123. GCD returns greatest common divisor of two or more integers. The greatest common divisor of is the largest integer that divided both the number 1 and number 2 without a remainder. Syntax GCD number 1 and number 2. GCD is equal to 2436. That is output is equal to 12. Int rounds a number down to the nearest integer. Syntax is equal to int number. Example is equal to int number 8.9. Output is equal to 8. LCM returns the least common multiple of integers. The least common multiple is the smallest positive integer, that is a multiple of all integers, arguments number 1, number 2 and so on. Use LCM to add fractions with different denominations. Syntax is equal to LCM bracket open number 1 number 2 bracket close. Example is equal to LCM bracket open 5 2 bracket close. Output is 10. Ceiling returns the number rounded up away from 0 to the nearest multiple of significance. Syntax is equal to ceiling bracket open number 1 comma significance bracket close. Number is the value you want to round. Significance is the multiple to which you want to round. Example is equal to ceiling bracket open 12.589 comma 1 bracket close. Output is equal to 13. Odd returns the number rounded up to the nearest odd integer. Syntax is equal to odd bracket open number bracket close. Example is equal to odd bracket open 14 bracket close. Output is equal to 15. The mod returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor. That result has the same sign as divisor. Syntax is equal to mod bracket open number comma divisor close. Number is the number for which you want to find the remainder. Divisor is the number by which you want to divide number. Example is equal to mod bracket open 3.3 comma 2 bracket close. Output is equal to 1. Round down. Round down a number down towards 0. Syntax is equal to round down bracket open number comma number of digits bracket close. The number is any real number that you want to round it down. Number of digits is the number of digits to which you want to round number. Example is equal to round down bracket open 10.568 comma 1. Output is equal to 10.5. Round up. Rounds a number up away from 0. Syntax is equal to round up bracket open number comma number of digits bracket close. Number is any real number that you want to round it up. Number of digits is the round number of digits to which you want to round it number. Example is equal to round up bracket open 3.14159 comma 3. Output is equal to 3.142. M round returns a number rounded to the desired multiple. Syntax is equal to M round bracket open number comma multiple bracket close. Number is the value to be round. Multiple is the multiple to which you want to round a number. Example is equal to M round 10.3, that is equal to minus 9. Sorry. Product multiplies all numbers given as argument and returns the product. Syntax is equal to product bracket open number 1 number 2 bracket close. Number 1 number 2 are the 1 to 255 numbers that you want to multiply. Example is equal to product bracket open 5 15 30. Output is equal to 2250. Round rounds a number to specific number of digits. Syntax is equal to round bracket open number comma number of digits. Number is the number you want to round. Number of digits specify the number of digits to which you want to round a number. Example is equal to round bracket open to 15.0568 comma 1. Output is equal to 215.6. SQRT square root returns a positive square root. Syntax is equal to SQRT bracket open number bracket close. Number is the number for which you want to be the square root. Example is equal to square root 16. Output is equal to 4. Sum Adds all the number in a range of cells. Syntax is equal to sum bracket 1 open number 1, number 2, number 3, etc. Bracket close. Number 1, number 2, number 3, etc. are 1 to 255 arguments for which you want to the total value of or sum. Example is equal to sum bracket open 10, 20, 30 bracket close. Output is equal to 60. Quotient returns the integer portion of a division. Use this function when you want to discard the remainder of a divisor. Syntax is equal to quotient bracket open numerator comma denominator bracket close. Numerator is the dividend, denominator is the divisor. Example quotient bracket open 10 comma 2 that is equal to output is equal to 2. Len ln returns the logarithm number natural logarithm as based on the constant 2.71828184594. Syntax is equal to ln bracket number. A number is the positive real number for which you want to the natural logarithm. Example is equal to ln bracket open 86. Output is equal to 4.454347. Statistical functions. Average returns the average arithmetic mean of the argument. Syntax is equal to average bracket open number 1, number 2, etc. bracket close. Number 1, number 2, etc. are 1 to 255 are numeric arguments for which you want to the average. Example is equal to average bracket open 10, 20, 30 bracket close. Output is equal to 20. The correlation. It returns the correlation quotient of the array 1 and array 2 cell ranges. Use the correlation quotient to determine the relationship between the two properties. Syntax is equal to correl bracket open array 1 comma array 2 bracket close. Example is equal to correlation bracket open a1 is to a6 comma b1 is to b6. The output it's depend upon the data value which is inserted in the array. Count the number of cells that contain number and counts number within the list of arguments. Use the count to get the number of entries in a number field that is in a range of array of numbers. Syntax is equal to count bracket open value 1, value 2, etc. bracket close. Value 1, value 2, etc. are 1 to 255 arguments that can be contained or refers to a variety of different types of data, but only numbers are counted. Example is equal to count bracket 1 C2 is to H2 bracket close. Output is equal to 6. Geomean returns the geometric mean of any array or a range of positive data. Is equal syntax is equal to geomean bracket open number 1, number 2, etc. bracket close. Number 1, number 2, etc. are 1 to 255 arguments for which you want to calculate the mean. You can also a single array or a reference to any array instead of arguments separated by commas. Example is equal to geomean bracket 1 bracket open 4 5 8 7 11 4 3 bracket close. Output is equal to 5.47. Harmonic mean returns the harmonic mean of data set. The harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of reciprocals. Syntax is equal to harmean bracket open number 1, number 2, etc. bracket close. Number 1, number 2, etc. are 1 to 255 arguments for which you want to calculate them. Mean. You can also use a single array reference any array instead of arguments separated by commas. Example is equal to harmean bracket open 4 5 8 7 11 4 3 bracket close. Output is equal to 5.028376. The median returns the median of the given number. The median is the number in the middle of a set of numbers. Syntax is equal to median bracket open number 1 number 2 bracket close. Number 1 number 2 are 1 to 255 numbers for which you want to the median. Example is equal to median bracket open 1 2 3 4 5 6 bracket close. Output is equal to 3.5. Max returns the largest value in a set of values. Syntax is equal to max number 1 number 2 bracket close. Number 1 number 2 are 1 to 255 numbers for which you want to find the maximum value. Example max 10 25 45 95 55. Output is equal to 95. Min returns the smallest number in a set of values is equal to index is equal to min number 1 number 2. Number 1 number 2 are 1 to 255 numbers for which you want to find the minimum value. Example is equal to min bracket open 10 25 45 95 55. Output is equal to 10. Mode returns the most frequently occurring or repetitive value in an array or range of data. Syntax is equal to mode number 1 number 2. Number 1 number 2 are 1 to 255 arguments for which you want to calculate the mode. We can also use a single array or a reference to an array instead of arguments separated by commas. Example is equal to mode 564432 4. Output is equal to 4. Percentile returns a percentile value of values in a range. We can use this function to establish a threshold of acceptance. For example, you can decide to examine candidates who score above the 90th percentile. Syntax is equal to percentile bracket 1 array 1 k. Array is the array or range of data that defines relative standards. K is the percentile value in the range. Inclusive example is equal to percentile A2 is to A5, comma 0.23. Output is equal to result depend on the array data.